can see, today we're making this quick and easy beef enchiladas, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. All right, so here are the ingredients we have here. Here I have about 1 pound of ground beef. I have my flour tortilla. You can use corn tortillas as well. I'm using Mexican cheddar jack cheese. I have about half a onion here that I chopped fairly small, okay, fairly small. I have 1 garlic clove that I minced myself for a nice fresh garlic flavor. Here we have the red enchilada sauce. Because this recipe is going to be quick, we're using this one. Now if you do want to make it from scratch, I have a measurement, a recipe, I will leave it below for you guys. I'm adding some green chilies in there as well, cumin, ground black pepper, and I'm using some pink Himalayan salt. And for more flavor, I'm using some chicken bouillon. The measurement will be below, so don't worry. We're just going to get right into the recipe. First thing I'll be doing is cooking the ground beef. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to cook my onions. The ground beef, don't forget, it has lots of fat. Just add the onion. Now I'm going to add in the beef. As you guys can see, the ground beef is nice and no longer pink. I'm going to remove the water. I know you guys can see it. I'm going to remove it. Okay, now I can start seasoning the ground beef. I'm adding the garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, okay, a 1/4 teaspoon, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon going in. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, freshly cracked pepper, now we're going to give the, ooh, it smells good. It smells really, really good right now. I can smell the garlic, the cumin. It has a nice earthy smell to it. By the way, I'm cooking it on medium-low heat. Let's give it a taste. All right. This is so good. Okay. Tastes real good. You can always adjust the salt to your liking, and also the pepper. It tastes real good. All right. Now I just turn off the stove. This is basically done. We're going to cook the tortillas, all right? Okay, now I have my oven heating up. We're going to basically not cook the tortilla, but this process will help your tortilla not break. All right, just add a little bit of oil, just a little bit. And we're going to take each tortilla, place it in there. Just like this. Flip it over. This is hot. This is too hot, and we're going to remove it. That way it doesn't break once we folding it. All right, a little bit more. I don't want it to be too oily. I'm going to repeat the process again. All right, just like so. This is a quick recipe. When I tell you this is quick, so quick. Remove it, set it aside. Just keep repeating the process, guys. It is that easy, all right? And of course, you can use corn tortillas or you can use flour tortillas. Whatever floats your boat, whatever you like, go for it. All right, going like this. That's the last one. Flip it over and go like this. You don't need that much oil because it'll be greasy. Now we have all the ingredients ready to make the beef enchiladas. I have my tortillas here. Y'all can see they're nice and flimsy. Okay, that's what you want so they don't break. I have my ground beef here. And also I have my cheese, so it can be nice and easy for me to just grab the cheese and place it inside the tortilla. I have the red enchilada sauce here, and I'm adding some green chilies in there as well, okay? I'm going to add some sauce here. Next, we're going to take the tortilla, just go like this, okay? I'm gonna put it back here. So now I'm adding my ground beef in. I'm going to add the chili. And I'm adding some cheese. Okay. I'm going to roll it up just like this. And we're going to place it in here just like that. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. This is a messy this can be messy, guys. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. You can use gloves if you want. It's up to you. All right, add my ground beef. I'm going to add my chiles. Then we're going to add cheese. Lots of cheese. Then roll it like this. Place it like that. You don't have to go in order. You can add cheese, ground beef, then whatever else you're adding in. Honestly, actually, I'm going to add a little bit of the sauce. Let me add a little bit of the sauce at the bottom. Okay. So now, I'm going to add this and some cheese, and we're going to roll it. Okay. Place it right here. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I made 5 enchiladas and I still have 2 remaining, so I'll cook that separate. But this right here, we're going to add the remaining of the enchilada sauce on there, just like that. Okay, just like this. Just add the remaining. Then I'm going to add cheese, all right? Now I'm adding the rest of the cheese. Ooh, some cheese on there. Looks good. So the whole, what is that, 8 ounces of cheese, you can just add the remaining of it. So now that we're done adding all the cheese, we're going to cover it with a foil, bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, I just lift up the foil and it's looking good. It is done in about 20 minutes. Should I leave it for some more? I think it's done actually. Ooh, it looks so good. I love it. It looks really, really good. Can't wait to eat because my stomach growling already. Okay guys, our beef enchiladas are nice and done and super cheesy. I don't even know how to pick these up. They're so cheesy. Oh yes, I can't. Oh Jesus Christ, this is exactly what I wanted. It tastes so good. Oh my goodness. How quick was this recipe? So easy, so quick, and so good. Hope you guys do try it. It's so saucy. It's so good. I hope you guys really try this. How easy was this recipe? So easy. So easy.